Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul. I did a little bit of shopping because I got a new job and I just wanted some like fun and fresh new clothes for this new job that I was starting, and just kind of something, you know, I don't know, new. Cause like sometimes I'm just like that when I start something new, or when I do something new, or when I go to an event, I just need like a new outfit. So I just needed some new pieces. Well, I didn't need them, but I wanted some new pieces, especially now that we are transitioning into fall. I mean, it's still like 90 degrees here in SoCal, so we won't see fall for at least till November. So I mean, a girl can dream, right? So I did a little bit of shopping. I went to H&M and Forever 21. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. Okay, so the first thing that I got is actually what I'm wearing, and this is a like corduroy. It's not real corduroy, it's like softer than real corduroy. This I think you would call it like a shacket. I don't know. These are really in right now, and I really like this kind of like tan neutral color, especially because I just think that it's gonna go really well with a lot of fall colors like this dark green that I'm wearing, or like a burnt orange, or you know, black, white. Like literally will go with anything, and I just like it because it kind of fits oversized, and it's just a perfect layering piece, especially here in California where it doesn't get super cold in the fall time. So I love this. I definitely need to wash it because I have makeup all over it. But yes, Forever 21, and anything that I can find I will link down in the description box below. So moving on with Forever 21. Okay, I got this sort of, I don't know, like faded black denim shirt type jacket thing. It's a little bit cropped, which I love, and the reason I got this was because I wear a lot of jeans. Like jeans are my favorite, and sometimes I don't like to do the denim on denim with the jean jacket and the jeans. I don't know, I just feel like I just am not always into that vibe, so I wanted something to kind of break that up. And I always wear like hoodies or like a cardigan, so I thought that this would be a nice little variety piece to add into my wardrobe. So yeah, it just looks like this. I got this in a small, and it's a little bit oversized, so that is nice, and I can't wait to wear this again. Something neutral to just kind of go with blacks, whites, dark greens, burnt oranges, things like that. So love that. Okay, so then I picked up this top. I actually haven't tried this on. I really need to try this on. I guess we'll find out if it fits me or not in the try on. But I got this little black kind of satin top. It's got like lace detail all over it, which is super cute. It's got some buttons right here. It's a little bit cropped, and then it's got like a puff sleeve with more of this lace detail. I just think this was super cute, and it would be really cute with like skirts, even jeans, or just like dress pants in general. So love that I found this. So the next piece that I got from Forever 21, I actually already wore, so I have it on a hanger, but I just got this like literally last week. I wore this to Disneyland actually, and it's just this really cute For Love and Lemons dupe white dress. When I saw this on For Love and Lemons, I literally contemplated spending $200 on it, and then I didn't, which I'm so happy about because I saw that Forever 21 had one exactly like it. So I was like, yeah, I'm getting it now for sure. So it just looks like this. Honestly, I think it kind of shrunk because it is 100% cotton, and I threw it in the dryer, which I shouldn't have done, but I'm gonna see if I can try to unshrink it. But yeah, just this cute little white dress to kind of pair with denim jackets, cardigans, flannels, that sort of thing. I think it'll go with a lot in the fall time. I think that's everything that I got from Forever 21. So let's move on to everything that I got at H&M. I've been loving H&M lately. Like, I don't shop there often, but recently I feel like I've been really into their clothes. I don't know why, but I am. So the first thing that I got is actually this brown satin button-up. I actually, again, already wore it, so it's on a hanger, but I just got this again like 2 weeks ago, and I got it in a different color, which I'll show you in a little bit. But yeah, it's just a brown, like rich brown color. I love that it's kind of like V-necked, so the buttons don't go all the way up, and this just like is so pretty. And I think this is the shirt that like kind of sparked my shopping trip to H&M, because once I saw that I was like, okay, there's no going back. I need more. So Yeah. All right, so the next thing I got were these pants, and these are like a tan sort of, maybe not tan, maybe like khaki. I feel like I'd consider these khaki. I got them in a medium just because I feel like with H&M clothes, they run a little bit small. Like, I don't know if that's just me, but they run a little small, so I always size up with H&M. They are like these ankle pants. Because I'm only 5 feet, I'm pretty short, so I do have to get these hemmed, so I'm hoping to do that in the next like couple weeks. But yeah, they're just super comfy, like almost like linen material shorts, and they have pockets and they have the drawstring, and I think that these are going to be so cute to like dress up or dress down in the fall. I got these from H&M. These are just like the slacks, regular waist. They're actually like pretty high-waisted, I would say, and they have an elastic waist, which is nice. And here is sort of what they look like. Actually, yeah, these are the ones that and they're ankle length. They're like skinnier ankle length, and I love that because, again, I'm short, and sometimes just long pants can really drown me. So once I get these hemmed, these are going to be so perfect for whenever I have to like just dress up a little bit more. So okay, and then I placed an order on H&M.com, and here is that other color of shirt that I got. That's the same as the brown one. So it's the same thing, except it's in like a, I don't know, like a light ivory cream color. I think it's really pretty. So it's gonna be a good piece to style with literally everything, even jeans and like some black sandals maybe, I don't know. So got that. All right, I've been on the hunt for a sweater vest. At first I thought that I would never be into the sweater vest trend, but then I kind of saw them like being styled in certain ways, and then I realized like, okay, I don't like the Y2K sweater vests, like the green ones and the pink ones and just like those colors. Like I don't like those, but I did like this one. This is a more neutral sweater vest, as you can see, and it's just like this really cute oatmeal color, and it's a little oversized. I got this in an extra small. Oh my gosh, my cat. I got it in extra small, and I just think this is going to be so cute with either the black slacks or, I don't know, some jeans, maybe even like a black skirt. I love this, and I can't wait to wear it. I got a sweater. So this is a like I don't even know, 3/4 sleeve gray sweater, and it's got a collar, and it's got like this V-neck. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Super cute, super soft, perfect for fall. I think it's going to be a good little layering piece because the sleeves aren't long, so it's not going to be too hot. So got that. So where I work, I'm allowed to wear jeans. I just can't wear jeans that are distressed, which is a problem because literally 90% of my pants have holes in them. So I needed to buy jeans with no holes, which was great for me because I love jeans. So it works out. So I picked up 2 pairs of jeans. The first pair I already wore because I was so obsessed with them. I couldn't just like not wear them. I just couldn't wait to wear them. So I get all of my pants from H&M in a size 6, and this is the first pair. So they are like a medium wash, kind of straight leg cropped jean. They have the button fly, it's not exposed or anything, and the back, just very basic pair of jeans. I love these. I've worn them quite a few times already, and I think I've had them for a week. So if that tells you anything, I love these. I'm actually really like growing onto H&M denim. At first I wasn't like a fan, but now I'm digging it. So the next pair that I got, I haven't worn yet. These are the loose mom jean in the ultra high waist ankle length. I was a little nervous about these because I purchased these online, and online they just looked like the legs just looked like bubbles, and I was like a little unsure, but I figured, you know what, if I don't like them I can return them. But honestly, I really like them. Again, these are in a size 6, and they are supposed to be ankle length. They're a little long on me because I'm short, so I don't know, I might just like cut off the hem, which I can definitely wear that. I just can't wear like a big hole, if you know what I mean. So I might just do that. They're like a lighter wash denim. And then the last clothing piece that I got from H&M was just this top. a lot of my tops are cropped, and I kind of wanted to get something that get tops that are just a little bit longer. I don't mind wearing crop tops, I just don't want them to be like super cropped. So I was still kind of looking for crop top, but a little bit longer, like mid-length tops. Is that even a thing? I don't know. But I found this one, and I think it's so cute. It's got like all kinds of florals on it. It's got this like bubbly kind of sleeve. It's got the smock in the back, so it's really stretchy. The front has this like ruching, which is very popular. There it is. And then it's got this tiny bit of ruffle down here. Kind of puffy sleeve, not really, but I just thought this was so pretty with even like a pair of jeans or black pants. Super cute. So I got this. And then the last thing I got from H&M, it's not a clothing piece, but I did pick up a pair of shoes. And aren't these like so fun and so cute? They're just these little heeled sandals with the quilted black sort of pattern up here. And I saw these on a girl wearing like a black floral dress, and I was like instantly obsessed. I was like, I need shoes like that. I don't care where they're from, I'm buying shoes like that. So I found some at H&M. I found like some different ones and different variations at like different shoe stores and such, but nothing quite compared to these. So I got these, and they were fairly inexpensive. They were only 25 bucks. So these are gonna be so cute with jeans, skirts, dresses even. I'm really excited to style these. Okay, and then I also just picked up one more random thing that is also a pair of shoes, but they're not from H&M or Forever 21. They are actually from Steve Madden, and they are these black flat sandals, and I got these on clearance for like 20 bucks. Like, they were the last pair, and they were the last ones in my size, so it was definitely meant to be. So of course I had to pick these up. I just wanted to throw these in here because I think they're still on the Steve Madden website, but they are full price. But I'll still link them in case you want to browse them. But yeah, that's it. So that is everything in this haul. I really hoped you enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I have two of them actually. I have one that is dedicated to Disney, and then I have one that is like just like my main, more personal one. So if you want to follow either one, go ahead, or both. I will not stop you. And then also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And again, everything that I mentioned, I will try to find a link to it down in the description box. But yeah, without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video.